Hello guys and welcome back to AceTeam FX. Previously we mentioned about the dollar index. This is the daily chart. We still anticipate this level being taken out. Last week I spoke about this area here. Market took out this area and then we anticipated a break. For those that said it's a sell, but for those that want to be more conservative, I said about the break and the retest before a continuation. Now I expect the market to still go all the way down, even taking out this area here. However, I expect this market to pull back. For those that are not in this trade yet, wait for the pullback. Don't just rush and enter any trade, okay? And then start selling here. This would be the first target, and then I expect further downside. But let's play it safe. Let's take this area out here first, which is this low, okay? A nice support area. I do believe the market is going to break and go all the way down. This is the dollar pound. Last week we anticipate this low being taken out, which it happened, and now we are at a major support area here. You see price reacted nicely over these areas. Make it straight. Here you go. Okay, nice support area. Resistance broke out. Okay, came down back to the support. This is a nice area here. Now I expect the market to move upwards. Let's take a closer look. Price took this level all the way up. Now I expect the market to do a nice pullback. Let's go down to the lower time frame and go down to the 1 hour chart. This is the 1 hour. Now I expect, you see this area here, nice consolidation, which this area acted as a support and then a resistance. Support, broke back up. Okay, now I expect the market to do a nice pullback. This area, it closed the gap already, but I expect it to move downwards. As long as it stays above this area here, as long as price stays above this area, I'm bullish for this pair. My first target would obviously be this area here. Okay, then a nice resistance level. However, I still expect this to push even higher. This would be the second target. And of course, there will be third target as well, which is this low. And ultimately, I believe this will be taken out. This high will be taken out for a nice long position. Still to this area, 1.3400. This is an ideal area. And the reason is quite simple. Basically, for those that know we are higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We are still in this bullish trend. So this area is still likely to be taken. Okay. So hoping this is the weekly chart, by the way. This area is still going higher and higher. This is the dollar yen. Last week I mentioned about price heading lower, but the price consolidated at this area here. Still consolidating. I don't expect people to rush into selling this pair at this moment, even though we are long-term selling over here. However, I expect those that want to enter this market, you should understand that the market is consolidating at this area here. It might still consolidate before moving down. And when I say move down, I expect this area here to be taken out. all the way down, okay, to this area. Even further down in the long-term perspective, I expect market taking this area here. However, this will be a first ideal target. Okay, just target the low first. But do not get into this trade at this moment. Or else when price shoots up, it's going to take your stop loss out. Okay, it's consolidating at the moment. Wait for a nice clean break on a lower time frame. Okay, we go down to the lower time frame, we see a nice break, a nice pullback, continuation to play it safe. This is the 4-hour chart for the dollar oil. Last week I spoke about this thing taking a short here position all the way down to this area. Okay, however, due to news last week, we got a nice move upwards. I said we can sell even more here. Okay, however, now the price is consolidating at the moment, so I expect the price to remain bearish at this area. As long as it doesn't go above this area here, I'm bearish all the way still to the same area here, taking out these lows, low 1, low 2. So I still expect the price to move further downwards, okay? Further downwards. This was initially the take profit 2 and take profit 1 when we bought at this area here, 1 and 2, okay? Which went a little bit more. But now we are bearish. This would be target 1, 2. In long-term perspective, I think it's going all the way down, okay? All the way down. But let's be patient. For those this week traders that want to sell, wait for the market structure to break before selling. Because what we might be having is something like this at this moment. For those pattern traders, okay? It's moving, it's consolidating. Okay, but to me, the trend is bearish. Okay, target 1, 2. Okay, I expect this to be taken out before a further bearish movement. Okay, so wait for a nice breakout either side. Okay, at this moment I'm bearish. However, if price breaks above, okay, if it's just a wick or like a little candle, doesn't give much confirmation, I wouldn't go bullish as of yet, as long as it doesn't break through and close above this area. If it does close above, I would wait for a bearish move before going long. And when I say long, I'll take out this high here, a bit higher, okay, around this area here, maybe a bit higher, around this area as a target. But at this moment, I'm still bearish. Remember guys, wait for the breakout this week. Okay, wait for a breakout. This might consolidate even more, forming a range pattern. Okay, it might even range even more, forming a range pattern. So please be patient. Do not rush into trading. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's market review. Remember to like and subscribe to get notified every week for this opportunity.